The US, however, bombing by day, threw responsibility onto the navigators and persisted with specific attacks. On many missions, whole squadrons were annihilated as the losses grew to staggering proportions. Many more men owed their lives to the almost incredible ability of the B-17 to absorb damage and continue flying, no matter how roughly. Many planes that made it back did so in conditions such that they were scrapped, but their crews still owed them their lives.
Niner 0, runway 3, for takeoff.
090, 6 Tango Romeo.
For Fortress 5-2, Niner Bravo, when able, start your left turn to the north.
Wow. We got a plane on our left. High or low?
Team will be demonstrating
Push up 5 miles south. There we go.
For Fortress 5-2, Niner Bravo, runway 3, clear to land, wind 070 at 8.
In the aerial battleground of World War II, one aircraft was destined to become the quintessential dogfighter of its era. The P-51 Mustang, a stunning combination of speed, combat range, and firepower. Now, you're in the cockpit as Mustang pilots duel to the death with the best Axis fighters in Europe and the Pacific. Me-109s, Zeros, even German jets. Cementing the Mustang's place as the most famous American warbird in history. Experience the battle. Dissect the tactics. Relive the dogfights of the P-51 Mustang.
昭和16年12月8日未明、6隻の空母から出撃したゼロ戦78機を含む総勢350機の攻撃隊が真珠湾に向かった。この真珠湾攻撃によって米太平洋艦隊が失った戦艦は5隻、200機近い航空機が炎の中に消えた。それはゼロ戦の実力を世界に知らしめた日でもあった。
Light, it was very streamlined, very aerodynamic.
technical trade school as a training tool.
Zeros were responsible for the infamous attack on Pearl Harbor that left more than 3,000 Americans dead.
Four U.S. Air Force F-86 Sabres move into the hostile skies of Mig Alley above northwest Korea. For over 2 years, nimble Russian-built MiG-15 fighters have been darting from sanctuaries in China, challenging American bombers and fighters.
Simulating the F-80. The single seat, the variant that was flown as an attack in air-to-air aircraft. Like the Korean 33, the venerable T-33 Shooting Star, really simulating the F-80. The single seat, the variant that was flown as an attack in air-to-air aircraft. Of course, there goes the MiG leading the F-86 on the beautiful pass there through against another aircraft, another jet aircraft, the first jet-on-jet shoot-down, if you will. The next day, the Navy got their first jet kill, which was done with an F-9F Panther.
A major technological advance of great military significance.
In 1980, the Pentagon caused a sensation by revealing a new futuristic aircraft technology called stealth.
An aircraft which will be invisible to enemy radar.
The secret new material absorbs radar beams, making detection extremely difficult.
Only a few members of Congress had been told about it.
The stealthy design of a series of top-secret fighter jets and bombers promised the U.S. the upper hand in its Cold War struggle against the Soviet Union.
We're not just rolling out America's new strategic bomber, we're ushering in a new age of strategic deterrence.
Today, while the Cold War may be over, America's quest to push aviation technology to its limits continues. But has that quest caused the Pentagon to finally reach too far?
There's always this infatuation. The newest, shiniest thing is always on the horizon.
The F-35 is set to replace our aging fleet of F-18 Hornets and Super Hornets. The cost, nearly $20 billion.
While a fourth-generation fighter may be cost-effective, it'll also be dead when it comes up against an F-35.